Kitchen cabinet with minibar counter installation Basti at Moalboal Cebu. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you to Basti at Moalboal Cebu, where our team completed the delivery and installation of a custom modular kitchen cabinet with a modern minibar counter. This video captures the journey from the arrival of the finished cabinets on site to the final installation and project completion. Every installation begins with careful handling. Upon delivery, each cabinet component is unloaded with care and inspected to ensure that every panel, hardware, and accessory arrives in perfect condition before assembly begins. For this project, we used high-quality marine board finished with glossy PETG and melamine stone laminates. This combination offers a clean, contemporary appearance, excellent durability, and a surface that's easy to maintain, perfect for everyday kitchen use. As installation begins, each cabinet is carefully positioned according to the approved layout. Every base cabinet and wall cabinet is leveled and aligned to ensure a precise fit and a seamless finish. Accuracy is one of the most important parts of our work. Throughout the installation, we continuously check measurements, alignment, and spacing to make sure every cabinet door, drawer, and panel is perfectly positioned. One of the highlights of this project is the custom minibar counter, designed to provide additional walk space while creating a stylish gathering area for family and guests. Its modern design blends perfectly with the overall kitchen concept, making the space both functional and inviting. To complete the countertop, we installed an absolute black countertop, chosen for its elegant appearance and timeless appeal. The deep black finish creates a striking contrast against the glossy PETG and melamine stone cabinets, giving the kitchen a premium and sophisticated look. Next, we installed the wood-look tile backsplash, adding warmth, texture, and visual depth to the kitchen. Beyond its beautiful appearance, the backsplash also protects the wall from moisture and everyday cooking splashes, making it both practical and stylish. With the cabinetry and countertop in place, we proceed with the installation of the kitchen sink and faucet. Every connection is carefully fitted to ensure proper functionality, durability, and ease of daily use. To further enhance the space, we install LED lighting, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere while highlighting the beauty of the cabinetry, countertop, and backsplash. The lighting not only improves visibility but also adds a modern touch that completes the overall design. As the installation progresses, the kitchen gradually transforms into a space that is both elegant and highly functional. Every detail from cabinet alignment and hardware installation to the final finishing touches is completed with precision and craftsmanship. Before turning over the project, our team performs a thorough quality inspection. Every cabinet door and drawer is tested, the countertop and backsplash are checked, the sink and faucet are inspected, and the lighting is verified to ensure everything is working perfectly. The finished result is a modern kitchen that combines smart storage, durable materials, and timeless design. It is a space built not only for cooking but also for gathering, entertaining, and creating lasting memories with family and friends. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to our valued client in Basti at Moalboal Cebu for trusting us with this project. Your trust inspires us to continue delivering quality workmanship in every installation. Thank you for watching. If you're planning to build or renovate your kitchen, we'd be happy to help bring your vision to life with custom modular cabinet solutions designed to match your lifestyle and space. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us for more kitchen transformations, modular cabinet installations, and interior design projects. See you in our next project.